Try this. So I bought these online. These are going to be in the description. And they say they need a 31/64. Well, that's not a common drill bit everybody's going to have. Unless you have a nice set. And I may put one of those in the descriptions also. It gives you a bunch of different drill bits. Okay? I have a 29/64, which is too short. Too less. 1/2 inch is too big. Would be 1/16 or 1/30. Will be 1/64 too big. So I have a 15/32, which would actually be 30/64. It'll be one under. 1/64 under. So I'm gonna go with that. I have it. So that's what I'm gonna use. All right. I don't know if I should put it here. I don't want to drill in the center of where this is sealed together. If I break that seal, then the can's no good. So I think I'm going to go right there. I'm not applying a whole lot of pressure. I'm just letting the bit cut into it slowly. As soon as it grabs, it's going to want to grab the drill bit in. And what you're going to want to do is pull back quickly, and it should give you a clean cut. Okay. All right. Okay. Now that gave us a really nice clean cut. Now this is going to be a little tighter than what they say. Oh, yes. And that puppy's in there nice and tight. Okay? That'll go right on there. Okay? Now when I want to fill it up, I'm just going to pop it and fill that thing up. Quick, 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 without the glug, glug, glug. All right. That's a good way to modify. This is an older style can. I like it. And I think it's going to work very well. Okay, Building with Papa. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Give me a thumbs up, all right? Do your own little modifications. They're simple. This isn't going to hurt anything. This is a quality part. Now I'll be able to fill my generator up quickly instead of sitting there waiting for this thing to glug, glug, glug. All right. See you on the next one. Okay. I don't mind this type of spout, but if you do, when you ordered this, I actually ordered a complete kit. Okay, gives me new spouts, that type of cover. This one, that gives you the little ties to connect everything so you don't lose anything, and the vent plug. I'm going to put these in the description. Okay, so if you don't want to use the locking one, forgot this part. Okay. The thing with this is you can reuse the locking one if that's what you want. Okay? This will go on. It has this here. That's the one that came with the can. Okay, now this locking mechanism, I don't mind. It's simple. It's easy to push. Okay, and you can then use this cover, dust cover. It screws on. Okay, it has a different type. But you know, sometimes those other ones that go on, put it down and you lose it. This one goes on here. It can be threaded on. Wow. Okay, that can be screwed on that way. If you don't like the locking one, it gives you a regular one. Screws right on there. Or let's say you want to keep everything together. Okay, that with this. Okay, and you have two different types of spouts, or spout covers, dust cover. Get it on there evenly so you're not cross-threading everything or anything. Okay, it's on there nice and tight. But you know, sometimes when you take these off, you put them down and you lose them. Okay, so that's what this is for. Put this around here. Has a little hole here. Put it through. Now that has the additional holes there. And then you just poke it through this hole there. Now when you unscrew this, you're not going to lose it. Okay? It'll be on there. Be able to pour your fuel and save. So I'll have all these in the description. You can buy just these, you can buy whatever you want. I'll put different ones in the description. This one wasn't bad because I kind of like this one that has the soft. This one is pretty soft, and it's, I don't know if you can see it, but it pushes down real easy, and I like it. So this is probably the one that I would use. Put that in, and then have this right here at the top. Okay, and then this is one of those ones you're just going to have to get it right on. You can't, got to make sure you don't cross thread them. But now you're not going to lose it. You have your air tab, different spout, because this is more flexible. This one's not flexible. I don't mind this for my generator, but if I had to fill up with something small with this, I would want to be able to get that into where I was going to be able to pour that fuel. I can't bend this, okay? Also, there's a big difference in length, okay? You know, that little bit will make a difference, okay? So, you know, especially if you're filling up something smaller. Now, this is a diesel can. You can do it on your gas can, whatever you want. All right, building with Papa. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Tell your friends. Give me a thumbs up. All right, see you on the next one.